Charot. So for today guys, ang aga ko nagising and nagugutom na ako but hindi ako pwedeng mag-breakfast or hindi talaga kami nagbe-breakfast dito sa bahay. And na-miss kong mag-toast so I decided na i-vlog ko yung mga toast recipes ko and I will share them with you. Sorry nga pala guys if may naririnig kayong nag-a-announce sa background. So we're still currently on community quarantine kasi and yung mga barangay officials namin dito, umiikot sila to announce yung mga guidelines ng city namin. Guys, I apologize for that. Sorry if nababother kayo doon. But anyways, let's proceed to our cooking show. So for this vlog, guys, I will be sharing with you 5 toast recipes na ginawa ko na before or ita-try out ko pa lang today. And if gusto niyo yun, I will put down the recipes, the ingredients, the instructions down in the description box below so you can also do this in your homes. Gawin kasi natin guys, avocado toast, and then mushroom toast, pesto toast, onion and cheese toast, and then the salsa toast. So si avocado, simple lang yun, gagamit lang tayo ng avocado. Si mushroom toast naman, i-cook lang natin onti yung mushroom with some salt and pepper. And then si pesto sauce, pesto and San Marino yun, but I'm still thinking. And then for the onion and the cheese, i-fry ko lang din yung onion and then top it off with some cheese. And then si salsa, we will be using the Tostitos salsa. Yun lang, wala tayong i-add. Salt and pepper lang maybe. So, ito guys, sabay-sabay ko na siyang i-prepare kasi some of the ingredients naman ay magagamit ko dun sa isang recipe as well as dun sa isa. So, ang pinaka-constant ingredient natin dito is bawang and sibuyas, oil, then the toast. Ito lang yung ingredients natin para dun sa lahat ng toast. So, iba-iba siyang recipes and may-mention ko naman din isa-isa per recipe. But, overall, ito lang yung mga kailangan natin. We have salt, pepper, parmesan cheese. We have San Marino Tuna here, yung chili. And then some mushroom, pesto sauce, white onion, and then Eden cheese. So, ito lang yun. And then, of course, yung bread natin and some butter. But, I will show you guys later kung paano yun. For now, i-prepare ko lang muna itong mga toppings and then I will show you how I prepare it with the toast later. So, I'm just using a non-stick frying pan here. Tip pala guys, if you're using a non-stick frying pan, you should also use a rubber, what do you call this? Yung sandok or basta itong partner niya. Dapat rubber, huwag kayong gagamit ng bakal kasi masisira yung non-stick frying pan nyo. So, ito lang dapat. Guys. Charot. Okay, so now that we're done cooking yung mga ingredients na kailangang i-fry, now we will toast the bread. So I have here 4 pieces of raisin wheat bread from Gardenia and ito-toast ko lang to and then it's time to prepare the toast. Kaya pala guys, sorry fake news, 4 toast recipes lang pala yung magagawa ko today kasi yung for avocado toast ko, kinuha pala ng mother ko yung ingredients. So, wala akong avocado today. So, I am sorry, but this is going to be 4 toast recipes lang pala. But, let's toast some bread. So now guys, we're going to prepare na our toast. So, I'm just going to use this Anchor butter para sa mga bread. You can use any butter na meron kayo sa bahay nyo. So, ganito lang yung gagawin natin. Babutter lang natin siya para meron siyang ibang texture, ibang taste. So, we have here yung toast na may butter na. And then, ito yung fry nating mushroom kanina. So, let's just put that here. Ayan, so spread lang natin. And then, let's top it with some salt and pepper. So basically, that's it for the mushroom toast. Now, let's do the onion toast naman. So, we have here also yung frinay nating onion. Let's put that in this other bread. So, if onion lovers kayo, you will surely love this one. So, what I did is, talagang frinay ko yung onion. Close to parang nasusunog na. Para talagang lutong-luto siya and hindi raw. And then, I will just put some parmesan cheese. Now, for our third toast, we will be using this Tostitos chunky salsa. So, maglalagay lang tayo nito mismo. Actually, pwede kayong maglagay ng ham or ng bacon dito para meron pa siyang other ingredient. Pero the salsa alone, okay na rin siya. And for our last toast, we will be using this contadina pesto sauce. Here. Dito naman guys, you can use tuna para meron siyang meat. But this time, okay lang sa akin na it's just the pesto. So, para magkaroon siya ng another flavor, lagyan ulit natin siya ng salt. Now, let's put some parmesan cheese as well. So, here you go guys. Ito na yung ating 4 toast recipes. We have here the mushroom toast, the onion and cheese, the salsa, and the pesto toast. So, now we will try it and see how it tastes. Okay guys, so now it's the time to taste the toast. So, unahin natin. Let's start with the salsa toast. So, again, this one, it's just a bread na nilagyan ko ng butter, tapos ginamitan ko siya ng Tostitos salsa. So, let's try. Ang sarap, guys. Ang sarap, promise. Yummy! Kasi sobrang lasa ng salsa. Tapos yung bread, wheat lang naman siya. Wheat raisin bread lang siya. Tapos may butter. Sobrang sarap. Wait lang. Sarap. Promise. Try no. Actually, if wala naman kayo nung Tostitos salsa, you can make your own salsa. So, ano lang to? Tomato, green bell pepper, and then that's it. Now, let's try our second toast. This is our onion and cheese toast. So, ito guys, sana mas masarap pa ito kapag na-melt yung cheese. Guys, ang sarap din. Para akong kumakain ng pizza. So, yung lasa ng onion, nandun siya. Pero, hindi siya ganun katapang kasi naka-counter attack. Charot. Supposedly, diba, strong yung taste ng onion. But dahil dun sa parmesan cheese, medyo nababalance yung taste. So, hindi ganun ka, alam mo yun, hindi ganun ka onion yung taste, if you know what I mean. Sobrang sarap, guys. Perfect to para sa mga mahilig sa medyo maalat. Pero kung ayaw nyo ng mga maalat, baka this is too salty for you. So, maybe you can tweak it, lagyan nyo ng sugar, or maybe you can use some cheese na hindi ganun kaalat. Or bawasan nyo yung cheese para hindi siya ganun kaalat. Kasi yung cheese talaga yung nagpaalat sa kanya. Next one that I'm going to try is this Pesto Toast. So, ito siya guys. It's just pesto sauce with, again, parmesan cheese. So, let's taste it. Ang sarap din. Ayun na. Ang harap. Carbs overload tayo today, but okay lang. Ang saya kasi iba-iba yung lasa talaga. So, for this toast naman guys, lasang-lasa ko yung pesto. Ang sarap, grabe. If wala kayo ng pesto sauce, pwede naman kayong gumawa ng sarili nyong pesto mixture. Meron din namang mga recipes sa YouTube if gusto nyo gumawa ng sarili nyong pesto sauce or pesto mix. So, you can check those out kung wala kayo nung pre-mix na pesto sauce. So, for our last toast, ito na yung ating mushroom toast. And, let's see kung masarap ba siya. Nagamit na ko ng plato guys kasi pili ko makalat tong kanina. Hindi ko siya malasahan guys. Nakakagat na ako. Okay. So for this toast naman, mas malasa para sa akin yung butter. Medyo hindi ko na natikman yung mushroom or feeling ko, onti kasi yung nailagay kong mushroom. So, siguro next time mas maganda if talagang punong-puno to ng mushroom. And okay din siguro if i-top it off nyo with onion, some white onion. Samahan nyo siya, mushroom and white onion. Tapos, lagay nyo sa toast. And then, salt and pepper lang. Baka mas masarap yun. Right now kasi, para lang akong kumakain ng toast with butter na meron lang toppings na mushroom. So, hanggang ako. Pero so far, okay naman. It's the least of my favorites, pero okay pa din siya. Kung gusto nyo ng mushroom, okay siya. But my favorite one would be, hindi ko alam guys, gusto ko lahat silang apat. Least favorite ko lang yung mushroom toast, but the rest sobrang sarap, sobrang dapat i-try nyo. Talaga. For some unbiased opinion, tatawagin ko yung kapatid ko para kumagat sa ating mga toast and let's see his reaction or his feedback. So guys, tinawag ko yung kapatid ko para tikman niya yung ating toast recipes and tignan natin kung anong feedback niya. Mushroom toast. What do you think? Sarap? Feedback!
Pang tinapay lang nilasa.
Parang tinapay nga net. Masarap yan, promise. Sobrang cheesy. Feedback! Feedback muna!
Oo,
Hindi mo kasi gusto talaga yung pesto, no?
Maalat.
Maalat. Ito, try mo.
Ano yan?
Onion and cheese.
Isa lang sabi niya kanina eh.
Patry na natin lahat na, guys. Baka matapon. Baka matapon. Oo. What do you think?
Yes, thank you.
Ha?
Yes.
Maalat?
Ano yan?
Yung cheese yun. Hindi yun yung onion. Okay? And last one guys, ito yung ating
Dami
salsa
kasing
toast.
experiment.
Sobrang pabebe. Oh, tama na. Akin yan. Akin. Tignan mo. Sabi guys, ayaw daw. Tignan yung tinira sa akin. Okay, what's your favorite?
Ang salsa.
Salsa toast? Sabi ko sa'yo, ayaw
Itong
ko maniwala.
ranking ko ito.
Sabihin mo.
Yung salsa.
Second.
Yung may mushroom lang. Tapos yung may cheese, may onions. Tapos
Then yung pesto. Ayaw mo kasi ng pesto eh. Hindi ka fan, no? Guys, pinagluto ko siya. So, okay magalit.
Wala.
Pinagluto ko siya ng hotdog. At saka ng cheesy omelette. Ayan. So, if gusto nyong makita naman yung recipe ko for the cheesy omelette, comment down below para gawan ko siya ng another video. Init ako nakakainis guys. Isasama ko yun sa vlog. So ako naman guys, I think yung favorite ko is yung salsa din, number 1. And then yung pesto, yung onion, and then yung mushroom. Yung mushroom kasi parang tinapay lang talaga. So hindi ko siya ganun
Ay,
kagad.
nangagat yung mushroom.
Hindi na, ang dami mong pagkain eh. Hi guys! Ito pala si Mingming! Mingming! Hindi namin siya pusa. Pusa siya ng kapitbahay namin. Pero, lagi namin siyang pinapakain and lagi siyang nandito sa bahay. So, tignan na. Gusto ko talaga sariling pusa, pero si Mingming muna siya ngayon. Ayan, gutom na si Mingming kaya siya nandito. Baba ka na? Say bye! Say bye! Okay. So that's it you guys. Yun na yung ating 4 toast recipes. Sana nag-enjoy kayo and comment down below or itag nyo ako if trinay nyo tong mga recipes na to. Tag me in my Instagram account at Meg Chavez para makita ko kung paano nyo ginawa yung mga toast or if meron kayong dinagdag na other ingredients. If you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below kung ano sa tingin nyo yung magiging favorite nyong recipe. And of course, subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye!